Setting the auto-stop and built-in oil water filter. The filling of a rifle or pistol is hassle-free with an auto shut-off that the user sets at the desired pressure. This eliminates the user from having to watch the fill pressure gauge as the compressor does its job. It also features the moisture filter, which will be more safe. GX pump has the best motor and compression structure to keep more stable and long life service. Car 12V DC or Home 110V AC power choice. This PCP air compressor can be powered by the 12V car battery, also can be powered by the home AC outlet with the included 110V 12V converter. This will make this PCP air pump more useful as you can use it anywhere. Oil-free and water-free, and built-in fan cooling for long life. This PCP compressor does not need oil, clean and hygienic, easy to operate. This will save you a lot of energy in future using. 3-type safety device design, and convenient wire spool design, adjustable pressure gauge, safety valve and burst disc valve makes this air compressor pump more safe. With the wire spool, you don't need to worry about the wire winding and it also looks great.